In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide account numbers from the chart of accounts in QuickBooks. Managing your QuickBooks can sometimes feel overwhelming, especially when you see a long list of account numbers cluttering up your view. Sometimes you might find it easier to work without these account numbers in sight, and that's what we are here to help you with today. So let's dive in and walk through the steps together to ensure you can customize your QuickBooks experience to better suit your needs. First, you'll need to sign into QuickBooks. Go ahead and launch your web browser and head to the QuickBooks Online sign-in page. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to enter your login details. If you're a frequent user, you've probably saved these credentials already. But if not, make sure you have them on hand to make the process smoother. Once you're all signed in, you'll need to choose QuickBooks Online. This is a straightforward selection, and for many of you, this might be the product you usually work with. So take a quick moment to confirm you're in the right place. Now that you're inside QuickBooks Online, it's time to dive into the settings. Begin by looking for the gear icon, which serves as the gateway to all of your QuickBooks settings. It should be located in the top right corner of your screen. Once you've found and clicked on it, a drop-down menu will appear, offering you various options. From there, direct your attention to the option labelled Account and Settings. This is where all the magic happens for managing the intricate details of your account. Click on that, and you'll be taken further into the Settings menu. As you navigate these settings, find and click on the tab that's labelled Advanced. This will take you to a more detailed section where you can alter specific functionalities of your account. At this point, let's hone in on the chart of accounts. You should now locate the chart of accounts option within the advanced settings. Clicking on this will bring up the relevant settings for the chart of accounts, which is what we need to edit next. To hide those pesky account numbers, simply look for the option labelled Enable Account Numbers. You'll see an option to turn this setting off. Click to disable it, and this action will hide the account numbers from your chart of accounts view. Remember, it's crucial to click on the Save button before exiting. This ensures that all of the changes you've just made are securely stored and your settings will be updated accordingly. Once saved, you'll now see your chart of accounts without the account numbers, presenting you with a cleaner and more streamlined view suitable for your needs.